welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com CRO, take a look at Bitcoin, because we did have a little bit of a nice move to the upside today. I kind of just want to go over the entire crypto market and give you my opinion on where I think we could be headed here. So, without further ado, let's hop into this video. Guys, we are above $27,000 Bitcoin right now. We are up 3.36% on the day. Bitcoin dominance level trading at 49.07 cents. When you exclude stablecoins, we're at about 51.06, 0.07 in that area there. We are increasing in Bitcoin dominance, believe it or not, even though we're having this move to the upside, which is very, very interesting to see. Because usually when you see the altcoins move to the upside, you see the Bitcoin dominance level come down. But in the year of accumulation, this is the name of the game, guys. The liquidity is moving to Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance is going to increase as we get closer and closer to this halving. Bitcoin is making the moves, leading the charge, and money is flowing into it. It's as simple as that. But let's take a look over the Bitcoin charts, because right now I'm not going to say we're out of the woods yet by any means at all. I mean, it's only a 3% move, which is not nothing, but it is only a 3% move. And considering that we're in the year of accumulation and we're in a super, super tight chop range, my next target here would be a continuation to touch 28,200. I need to see that happen. I need to see a test of 28,200 before I start talking about reaching 30,000. But until then, we're making the price is going in the right direction. But I will say that I still am leaning bearish. I still think that there's a good chance that we come down here, the volume is going to dry up, and we'll probably make this move back to touch on this 26,200, and we'll probably capitulate down to 25,000, and at some point leading into the Bitcoin halving, maybe even come down to 21,600, guys. I would not be surprised for that to happen. However, I'm not going to say that that's a 100% chance of that happening. Nothing in trading is a 100% chance, but I will say that I'm leaning towards that. There is the counter argument that if we start to make this move to the upside and test 28,200, this yellow line right here, then there's a good chance that we could come and try to test this $30,000, $32,700 price level right about here. There's definitely a good chance that. I was expecting us to test that previously when we were back here around in July, but we didn't. We spilled over and we came down. And I still think that we're going to be in tight chop here, guys. Even if we do get to 32,000, I think it'll be very unlikely to break above 32,000 leading into the Bitcoin halving. But time will tell, guys. Time will tell. Over on CRO, we are trading like a snail in a super, super chopping range. We are barely moving. We've been pegged at 5 cents for, when you look at this entire time right here, since the beginning of August, basically, we've been trading at 5 cents. It's pretty incredible. I do expect, like I just said, Bitcoin is the tide that raises all the boats. Bitcoin is taking the lead right now. Bitcoin, if it does go to 28,200, I expect to see a little bit of a price move to the upside. Do I expect us to reach 5.5 cents? I'm going to be honest with you guys. I think a lot of the trading volume on altcoins is going to be stunted. Even if Bitcoin makes some few $1,000 price moves, nothing ridiculous, not going from, say, 28,000 to 50,000 before the Bitcoin halving. But if we are making these price moves like a 5% price move and whatnot, I don't necessarily think that there's going to be large moves on the altcoins, whether that's to the upside or to the downside, because I think the majority of the sellers are gone. I really do. But I will say that there is much more likelihood when Bitcoin comes down that the altcoins come down with it heavier. But like I said, the majority of the sellers are gone. We're in a boring market right now, sideways chop. I'm expecting this chop to continue out until the Bitcoin halving, till about February, March of 2024. That's what I'm expecting. Maybe even a little bit later, give or take a month or two. But I'm expecting sideways chop with some surprising moves to the downside with time capitulation when people get really bored and they want to spend their money on something else and they're forced to sell, because lots and lots of people are hurting for money with inflation and all the crazy things happening in the macroeconomics of the world. But guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I do giveaways there. I'm really active there. I try to just keep you guys in the know. When I hear a important news piece, I talk about it right away on Twitter. It's easier to upload right there than to YouTube. We do 5 videos every single day on YouTube to keep you guys in the know. And if you have stuck around this far, please consider joining and becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage. Click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with CryptoKip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel, guys. We're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin to a different member each and every month leading up to the Bitcoin halving. Super excited about that, but that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.